Computer Class 2. Hello children, today we will do the keyboard and the mouse. Chapter 5. In this lesson you will learn about keyboard and mouse. Keyboard. A keyboard has 104 keys. Now you can see here in the picture, a keyboard has different kind of keys like caps lock key, tab key, function keys, backspace key, enter key, shift key and spacebar key. So let us learn about them. Shift key. Shift key is used with the other keys for different purposes. If you press and hold the shift key along with an alphabet key, it will type that letter in capital when the caps lock is turned off. For example, when the caps lock is off, you press shift and capital B, you will get capital B. When the caps lock is on, you will press shift along with capital B, you will get small b. Children, let us learn about symbol keys. These keys have special signs and symbols. Some symbol keys are to the right of the alphabet keys, such as slash, colon, inverted commas, signs of greater and smaller, etc. They have two symbols on them. Some symbols are also places over the numbers on the number keys, such as exclamation mark, @ hashtag, $sign, percentage and multiplication sign, etc. Here in the picture you can see just over the number keys there are some symbols. So whenever you want to type and use such symbols, you can press it from here. How? For example, if you press shift key along with number 1, you will get an exclamation mark on your screen. And another example, if you press shift key along with number 3, you will get hashtag sign on your computer. Now children, let us learn function keys. There are 12 function keys from F1 to F12 at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a different job to perform. As you can see here in the picture, which is marked red, that is called function keys, and these are 12 in numbers. So F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. So these have different function to perform according to each function keys. Okay. Now let us learn about caps lock key. This key is used to type letters in capitals. When we press caps lock key once on the keyboard, the caps lock light will turn on. You can then type capital letters. For example, when the caps lock is on, C, P, U, when you will type these alphabets, you will get CPU. On the screen you can see whatever you have typed. Next is tab key. You can press the tab key to move the cursor several spaces forward at once. Escape key. The short form of escape key is ESC. It is placed at the top left corner in most of the keyboards. This key allows us to cancel a task. Now children, let us learn about the other input device, which is called mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It displays an arrow on the screen called as pointer. You can see here in the picture, whenever you use your computer, you can see such arrow mark on the screen, which is called a pointer. Let us study about various functions of a mouse. Single click or click. Releasing the left button of the mouse after pressing it once is called single click. You can see here in the picture how the mouse is held and how to keep your fingers on the mouse to click single click. A single click is for selecting an item. Whatever you want to choose, any picture or any other document, you can just click once on the mouse. Next is double click. Releasing the left button of the mouse after pressing it twice quickly is called double click. A double click opens the selected item. You can see here in the picture how the mouse on the left button is clicked 2 times, and you have to click that button fast, little quick, okay, so that you can open that selected item. Now there is a Clickypedia. The computer mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart. It was a wooden mouse. So children, remember this. The next one is right click. Releasing the right button of the mouse after pressing it once is called right click. You have to use the right click button on the mouse. It displays a list of properties of the selected item. So it will show you the list of the selected item, whatever you have selected, it will show you the list of that item. Okay. Now let us learn how to drag with the help of mouse. Drag means to move the mouse while keeping the mouse button pressed. It is used to move an item to another location on the computer. Just see the picture here, how it is pressed, the first button is pressed, and how it is moved to any other place where you want to take that item on another place. You can just press the button and take it wherever you want, and then just leave it, release it. Okay. Now children, there is a computer caution. Never spill anything on the keyboard or mouse. I hope you have understood the lesson now. Read the lesson carefully and do some exercises. Tick the correct option. First is dash is not the function of a mouse. Typing, clicking, dragging. Correct answer is typing. Second is pressing the left mouse button once is called dash. Clicking, double clicking or right clicking. So the answer is clicking. Third is a mouse is an dash device. Input, output, storage. A mouse is an input device. So click on input. Second question is fill in the blanks using the words given below. First is the dash click is used for selection. The answer is single. Second is dash key helps to move the cursor several spaces forward at once. Tab key. Now see the third one. The dash click opens the selected item. Double click. Fourth is dash key is used to write letters in capitals. Caps lock key. Fifth is the dash click helps to display properties of the selected items. The right click. Now third question is answer the following questions. Question number 1. Which key help us to write capital letters? Answer is caps lock key help us to write capital letters. Question number 2. Which key is used to move the cursor several spaces forward at once? Answer is tab key is used to move the cursor several spaces forward at once. Question number 3. What is meant by drag? The answer is drag means to move the mouse while keeping the mouse button pressed and move an item to another location to the computer. Children, you have to do those exercises and question answer in your book and notebook. And now it's time to do some homework. Draw a big keyboard on a chart paper. Mention function keys, number keys, letter keys and symbol keys. Show them in different colors. Thank you.